everyone, Anke here. Welcome to my mixed media mini class. I'm excited to share my project and process video. You like the look of mixed media, but you don't want your projects to be super messy? Then you love the ink blending technique. I show you how you can add mixed media accents to your page using your ink pads. I create a mixed media background using ink pads and a cut file instead of a stencil. I'll also use the ink pads to color die cuts and to color twine for stitching. Let's start with the background. I chose the March 2021 tile lace cut file and cut it from white cardstock. The size is 9 by 9 inches. I place the cut file on my page and secure it with pieces of washi tape to keep it in place and to make sure it lies completely flat. Then I apply the ink with a blending brush. I choose ink pads from previous color kits that match the colors of the embellishments I use. Now I can tear off the washi tape and remove the stencil. This is the finished background and I love how it turned out. I also like the colored cut file and I'll definitely use it on another layout. Now let's color some twine for a tone-on-tone stitching. I apply the ink on my glass mat. Foil does also work. Add water and wipe the twine through the color. Add more color until the twine has the shade you want. I recommend to wear gloves, otherwise you will end up with dark purple fingers like I did. dry the twine using my heat tool. I pierce holes and start stitching. I love how the twine in matching colors adds texture to my background. The background is finished and now I make some floral embellishments. I cut leaves and blossoms from white cardstock using the March 2024 Floral and Frond metal die set and the September 2023 Leaf Trio metal die. I use different shades of green to color the leaves and branches. the blossoms with pink, purple and yellow ink and glue them together. I have 3 photos of my dog Edgar playing with the water bowl. I don't use the complete photos, I just cut out the silhouette of Edgar and the bowl. Then I arranged the floral die cuts and the photos on my layout combined with some die cuts from the ephemera pack, which is included in the March main kit. Instead of just one title, I choose 3 of the cardstock layered foam phrase stickers, which you can find in the March embellishment kit. Now I add some chipboard flares. And a puffy shape sticker also included in the March embellishment kit. I continue with some die cut words from the ephemera pack. And more puffy shape stickers. And I finish with some epoxy stickers from the March main kit. So this is my inspiration for you. I want you to create a layout using the ink blending technique. You don't have to incorporate everything I made, just pick out what you like. You can make just the background with or without stitching, or you make only the floral embellishments and combine them with another background, maybe with patterned paper. You don't have to use a cut file for the background. If you prefer using a stencil, do that. You can use any supplies you wish. Don't forget to share your project in the coordinating photo album in our Hip Kit Club Facebook group until Sunday, May 12th, midnight PST, for the chance to win a $15 gift certificate to the Hip Kit Club shop. I can't wait to see what you create. Thanks so much for joining me.